Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Technique Thursday. It's been quite a while since we've done a video here, so I hope I'm not too out of practice. It's Lynn from Praise and Pray, and today I'm going to do a quick video with our new page kit, Joel. It's from the series of our Books of the Bible page kit. So we're doing a page kit for every book in the Bible. So this is our latest one, and today I'm just going to have fun with a cute little background and just wanted to basically drop in and say hi, see how everybody's doing. How are you guys liking the 5-minute with Jesus study? I'm so enjoying that. We're doing that in our Praise and Pray Bible journaling group on Facebook. We're working through that together and oh, it's just lovely. So I'm going to do just a little bit of distress inks on the background, a little bit of stamping, and I've got my elements cut out. I printed them on clear sticker paper. This is just an example. And so the two distress inks I have are Victorian Velvet and Shabby Shutters. So let's get started. So all I'm going to do is I have just a scrap piece of paper behind here. I haven't prepped the page because really don't need to do that when we're going to just use dry ink. If we were using wet ink or watercolors, we'd want to prep that page for bleed through. So just gonna put some on my little round dauber tool thingy. I don't even know what you call this. And gonna start on the paper and then work my way onto the sheet so I don't get a blob. At least I hope I don't get a blob. So I'm just gonna do the edges. So starting there and just working onto the page. So how was everybody's summer? Gosh, summer was really busy here on the farm. We had a big garden going on. We did lots of kayaking this summer and hiking, and we've had company, and it was just a really nice summer. And spent lots of time with the kids. And what else did we do? Lots of walking, hiking, playing in the river, playing with the puppies. We didn't go anywhere. We just had lots of company. Sis was out, and Ryan was out here a lot, and Nikki was out here a lot. And we had lots of family fun this year. So it was nice to take a break. I kind of miss doing the videos, but I just wanted to take some time and enjoy that first summer on the farm. Things have been just crazy out here. And we're heading into fall now, so, you know, that's kind of cool too. Things will slow down a bit. Just pulling out the rest of our garden and hoping we don't get a big frost before the corn is ready, because I planted corn and it's the first time I've ever planted corn. But get this, I did not know, and maybe you know this, but I did not, that corn, one corn plant only produces one corn on the cob, right? So, craziness. So I have all this corn and it's growing so big, but we're only going to get one cob on each corn. Huh. So we'll see how that goes. So aren't you guys glad I'm back to babble? Because I just babble. These clear stamps are from Inkadinkado, and they're called Delicate Branches. I will leave a link for all the supplies in the description of the video. So we've got this going on. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this stamp, this branches stamp, and I'm going to make grass with it. So look around in your stamps and see, do you have a little stamp that you can make grass? I love this little bicycle, so I wanted to put a little bit of grass. So all I'm doing is going on here with my finger, and I'm just going to go across the bottom and make grass, different lengths. And just simple, a really, really simple background today. I'm out of practice, guys. And I'm gonna be doing videos more regularly now, but I'm not sure if they'll be every week or every 2 weeks. We're going to change up our schedule at Praise and Pray a little bit, so stay tuned for that. Our release of our fall collection is next week. And I'll be sharing all that information in the group. It's actually, by the time you see this video, it will already be there, I hope, talking about what I'm going to do and what all about the collection. It's kind of vintage, it's kind of cool. So there's a little hint for that. So that's basically all I'm doing for the background. That's it. So now I'm just going to place some of the elements here. I'm kind of just going to play with this a little bit, decide where it's going to go. And like I said, this is on clear sticker paper. So I wanted to, if you're working with clear sticker paper and you're layering elements, it's really tricky because if you put this clear on top of this, it's going to kind of maybe look muddled. So if I'm doing a lot of layering, I will do that on white sticker paper. If I'm doing just elements by themselves, like on this page, and there is no layering, I will just do them on clear. So I'm gonna put the big stuff on first. Like I said, this isn't a really long video. I just really wanted to say hi. I missed everybody all summer. And in the next video, I'm teasing you already. In the next video, there's going to be a little freebie for everybody that you can only get on YouTube. So make sure you're subscribing to the channel. Kind of messed that up a little bit, but that's okay. So make sure you are subscribed and get notified, because the next video will have a really cute freebie with it. And that's all I'm going to tell you. Yep, that's it. That's all I'm going to say. So let's put Mr. Bike on here. I love this bicycle. I've wanted to do a page kit with a bicycle, and so I chose Joel. I was like, this is just, we need a bicycle. I don't know. I have a couple page kits ideas for October and November for our thankful study we're going to do, and so just want to kind of make it look like the bike was kind of in the grass. So, and I looked around and I didn't have a grass stamp. Do you believe that? I have baskets and baskets of stamps, and I have no grass stamp. So I improvised today, and I thought it worked out totally okay. So, unfailing love, here we go. And just gonna put this here. And you know what? Our page is done. So how many minutes are we gone into our video here? Like 8 minutes? And we have a page done already. So all Bible pages don't have to be complicated and hard and take you a lot of time. If you have 5-10 minutes, you can do a page. You get a page kit, do a little background, or don't even do a background. For a lot of them, I don't do that. So I just wanted to say hi to everybody, and come join us if you're not in our group, Praise and Pray Bible Journaling. The ladies there are incredible. All our members are so awesome, and we have such a great time every day sharing and inspiring and reflecting together. So it's such a blessing to be a part of that. So come join us. Have an awesome day, everybody, and I will see you next time on Technique Thursday. Bye-bye. God bless.